Hey y'all, it's TaKira NeShon back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing what I packed for basic training video type thingy, you know. I'm in the hotel now. I ship out tomorrow. So, whenever this video goes out, I ship out the next day, I guess. I'm not going to tell you guys where I'm going for basic training until after my basic training is over and I get into AIT, just for OPSEC violations, not allowed to tell where we're going and stuff like that. So yeah, just put that out there. If you are filming a video or you're commenting down below, do not tell your ship dates in my comments, because no. But just the bag I'm taking looks like this. It's a little black bag. I brought this jacket with me, little jacket, and basically what's in my bag is, let's get to the show. So in this little pouch, I just have my headscarf, and that's all I got in that one. And then in this one, the next little one, I have, if I can get it, it's hard to do this with one hand, y'all, so bear with me, please bear with me. Got some stuff in here, y'all. Got my earphones, or earbuds, whatever you call them, and I gotta make sure my lips is right, so I came through with the CarMax and a little lip gloss, I got a combination lock, a pen, my portable charger. I also brought my regular charger, it's just plugged up, and then this just has all my information, like my debit card, my military ID, my regular ID, and my social and some stuff like that in there that we supposed to bring. And it's just my combination to the lock. So I just put this stuff back when I'm done. That's everything in that pouch. Then the next one, I'm sorry, y'all, bear with me. Please bear with me. And this one, I got this. We got this from drill, because I'm in the National Guard. If y'all didn't know, I'm not active duty. I'm in the guards. So at drill, we got this. It's a smart card, and it basically just has the ranks on there, the soldier's creed, and some other stuff we basically supposed to learn before you go to basic training, which I basically know almost everything on here, so I'm good on that. Pouch. What's in here? I got some shower shoes, or flip-flops. I mean, I'm using them for the shower. A sports bra. This notebook that my sister got me for Christmas that I'm just gonna write my letters in for home. And then this is the biggest part, I guess, of what I got, what I packed, all my toiletries. So I'm gonna show y'all what's in here. I got underwear, a bonnet, some feminine care stuff like, a comb, some lotion, some more lotion because the other one was small, and don't try to be ashy, some body wash, my toothbrush, a must, gotta keep that breath right, some crest to go along with that toothbrush situation, some edge control because that 4C hair gotta get laid, leave-in conditioner, a brush, an edge brush, which I probably will end up not even using because I don't use this on the regular. I just thought it'd be nice to try. And a little ponytail, and a travel size toothpaste. I don't know why I brought two. And then some more little tampon thingies, and that right there is everything. Nothing extra, no extra pair of clothes, no extra nothing. You don't need it. They give you everything you need, guys. Literally. You don't need nothing else. That's all you need. Literally, right there. I probably got too much stuff. Overkill on CarMax, but no chapped lips. And let me show y'all how my hair is going to be. This is how my hair is. Got a little military bun in the back, But yeah, that's all you basically need. That's all I packed. I mean, I'll try to do another video when I come back from basic training, what you actually need, and if anything I brought was I didn't need, or if I needed something that I didn't bring. So Hope you guys like this video. This is my roommate in the back. I'm gonna link her channel down below. So make sure y'all show her some love on her channel. And that's all, guys. So if you guys like these kind of videos, I'm thinking about calling them like Military Mondays or something like that. So like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments down below. All my social media is going to be in the description down below. And thank y'all for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and thanks for watching. Oh, before I go, I should also say, since I am going away for basic training, obviously I'm not going to be uploading videos anytime soon, because I'm probably going to be going for like 6 months. So I probably won't, or my basic training is 2.5 months, and then the rest is AIT. So if I'm able to have time at AIT to post videos, I will try to, but I can't guarantee it because I'm here to do a job with the military, not to post videos technically. So just keep on loving me, keep on subscribing, keep on showing some love in the comments down below, and let me know what you guys think about this video.